What's up, people? It's Azan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we bring you amazing projects from the crypto world. So today I have brought you a crypto project named as SaltSwap. So let's see what this amazing project is up to. So they are a team of experienced software developer and product manager from top tier tech companies, aka the Salts, that want to contribute to the BSC DeFi yield farm movement and take it to the next level. Even though they are starting off with a salty yield farm, they will quickly move on to the bigger and greater things. They are launching a yield farm with a fair token distribution, no pre-mine, reward start announced in advance, and no FNF getting allocations. They believe this is super fair and everyone can enjoy the salty yields. So what do you get then? So they believe that the user of farm would be enough for them to get the dev fund needed to cover expenses and pay the incentives. SaltSwap uses PancakeSwap.finance awesomeness to drive their liquidity pools and swaps. So why Binance Smart Chain? To be honest, it's no a brainer. It's very simple terms that why would anyone want to be drive a slow car that costs more to run? While BSC might not have the level of adoption Ethereum does at current, they believe in Binance's ability and drive to get it might close in the foreseeable future. Sure, launching on Ethereum would be easiest thing to do and probably receive faster initial uptake, but they like to take challenge and are betting on BSC's future, faster, cheaper, and sold. So what makes SaltSwap different from every other farm? So they are a team of experienced developers who really enjoy the DeFi movement and are willing to dedicate their time to take this project to the next level. So the first interface is like this. They have three options like here: swap, liquidity, and bridge. Let me tell you about swaps. Token swaps on SaltSwap are a simple way to trade one BEP20 token for another via automated liquidity pools. In the back end of the exchange, they are using PancakeSwap. So how to use MetaMask here? Like you have to connect your wallet here. So let me show you in extensions that how it is done. First install your MetaMask for your browser. Once you did, just select get started and sign up for the MetaMask. Create passwords. Connect your MetaMask with Binance Smart Chain. Go to settings page. Add a new network. After that, change some testnet token to your account. Click on your address for copy. Go to faucet page. Its link is like testnet.binance.organization/faucetsmart. Then paste your address in the box and click give me BNB. After the transfer transaction is sent, you will see the increase of your balance. Transfer BNB to other Binance Smart Chain address. Log in to your MetaMask. Click on send button. Copy the receiver address in the box. Input the amount. Go to advanced option to modify default gas when necessary. Confirm your transaction, then click next. Click confirm to send your transaction. Wait for your transaction to be included in the new block. Once your transaction is confirmed, check it on the block explorer by clicking details. Click on your account to see details. Verify your transaction in explorer. Add BEP20 tokens. Deploy an ERC20 contract at remix.ethereum.organization/ you can create a new file or import a sample contract. So after that, connect your Binance Smart Chain account to Remix. Select ABC token contract and compile. Deploy your compiled contract. Adjust gas fee for your contract. Then confirm your deploy contract. You can see that there is a new create contract transaction in block explorer. In MetaMask, click on add token. Choose the custom token and copy the contract address into the box. Click on the add tokens. Then you can see the change of your balance. Create multiple accounts. To create multiple accounts, you click on the profile icon and MetaMask, then click on the create account. You can add an account name and click on create. Then you can see a new account is created. If you find this issue like invalid custom network, it's from the release of version 8.1.3. MetaMask sometimes displays the warning message like invalid custom network. To solve this issue, click on settings, then enter chain ID of Binance Smart Chain network again. If 56 doesn't work, try 0x38. In network name, you have to write Binance Smart Chain. New RPC URL, you have to write btc/dataseed.binance.organization. Chain ID would be 56. If 56 doesn't work and the issue still show up, so you can write 0 multiply 38. the symbol is BNB, and the block explorer would be bscscan.com. So that's how you connect MetaMask for Binance Smart Chain. So that was up for the swap. Okay, so let's talk about the liquidity of SaltSwap exchange. The liquidity provided to the exchange come from the liquidity provider LPs who stake their token in the pool. In exchange, they get flip SaltSwap liquidity provider tokens, which can be also be staked to earn SAL token in the form. When you make a token swap trade on exchange, you will pay 0.2% trading fee, which is broken down as follows: 0.17% return to the liquidity pools in the form of fee reward for liquidity providers. 0.03% is sent to the PancakeSwap treasury. So that's for the liquidity. So let's have a look at their farms. As you can see, if you do this like SAL to BUSD, you will have the 40x rewards with APR of 400.75%. As you do it for SAL to BNB, the reward would be 24x, and the annual percentage return would be 451.90%. BNB to BUSD would be 5x rewards, and you can the APR would be 137.38%, and as follows. So let's talk about the pools here. SaltSwap pools, SaltSwap pools allow you to provide liquidity by adding your token to liquidity pool or LPs. When you add your token to liquidity pool, you will receive a flip token, SaltSwap version of liquidity provider tokens. As an example, if you deposit Salt and BNB into a liquidity pool, you would receive Salt slash BNB flip tokens. The number of flip tokens you receive represent your portion of Salt slash BNB liquidity pool. You can also redeem your funds at any time by removing your liquidity. Its UI works like providing liquidity is not without risk, as you may be exposed to impermanent loss. Simply put, impermanent loss is the difference between holding tokens in an AMM and holding them in your wallet. It's not all bad for liquidity provider, as you will also be given a reward in the form of trading fees. Whenever someone trades SaltSwap, the trader pays 0.2% fees, of which 0.17% is added to the liquidity pool of the swap pair they traded on. For example, there are 10 flip tokens representing 10 salt and 10 BNB tokens. One flip token is equal to 1 salt plus 1 BNB. Someone trades 10 salt for 10 BNB, someone else trades 10 BNB for 10 salts. So the salt slash BNB liquidity pool now has 10.017 salt and 10.017 BNB. Each flip token is now worth of 1.00017 salt plus 1.00017 BNB. To make being a liquidity provider even more worth your while, you can also put your flip tokens to work whipping up some fresh yield on the salt farms, where still earning your 0.17% trading fee rewards. So that was up for the pool. So let me tell you something about the farms. Their contracts are publicly accessible in the following repo: github.com/salt contracts. So how are contracts safe? They have based their implementation in Goose Finance Egg token and have the following feature: 24-hour time lock added to the contract at launch, no migrator code, it was totally removed, contract audit and the pipeline. Let's talk about lotteries here. So the lottery ticket fee for one ticket is 1 salt. Single user don't have any limits. Paying for one ticket 1 salt will give user a random 4-digit combination, with each digit being between 1 to 9, for example 8932. In the UI, users can choose to enter a multiple of 1 salt, which will buy them multiple tickets. So how to win? To win the lottery jackpot, 50% of the entire lottery pool, user need to match all 4 numbers on their tickets in the same position as the winning numbers. If you don't match all 4, no need to worry. As long as you match 2 or more numbers in the correct position, you are guaranteed to win a reward. What is the winning ratio? So matching all 4 numbers in the exact order, win 50% of the pot. Match 3 numbers in the exact order, win or split 20% of the pot. Match 2 number in the exact order, win or split 10% of the pot. Burn remaining 20% of the pot. For example, if the final 4 winning numbers are 1932 and you match 1932, match all, 1922 match 3, 2332 match 2, 1212 match 2. So lottery phases. The first lottery round will be last for 3 days. The subsequent one will be gradually reduced. An example, phase 1, buy tickets. Go to salswap.finance lottery and buy your tickets. The lottery jackpot will accumulate at the top of the page with each ticket. User will receive a ticket for each one salt paid. In phase 2, lottery draw. The four winning lottery numbers are drawn and will appear on the page. Each participant winning will be automatically calculated based on their ticket number and shown on the page. Users can claim winnings if they have any. So user will also be able to see the lottery result, how many user matched all four numbers, three numbers or two numbers. In phase 3, celebration and sharing. If you want, congrats, share it with your friends or community. The next lottery will start soon. So let's talk about the IDOs, like their offer. SalSwap offer a platform for new project to raise BNB in a safe way for users. They provide an IDO platform with soft cap mechanism. If the soft cap is not reached, all the contribute BNB will be returned to the user. When the soft cap is reached and the IDO date is over, the project will be able to claim 90% of the BNB raised. Nice. Before and during the IDO, SalSwap will promote the project on its channels, Telegram chat and announcement channels, Twitter. SalSwap designer creates the banner for SalSwap owner promotion. Requirement would be SVG icons. So the free structure is like the 10% of raised BNB will be retained by the SalSwap, 9% for dev team and 1% for the Salt buyback or Ocean buyback. So that was up for the exchange and liquidity and pools and all. Let's have a look at the SALT token on the coin market cap. As you can see, it's named as SalSwap Finance. Its ticker is SALT. Its rank as 3464 on coin market cap. Its current live price is 0.245 on the date of 21st May. It have a gain percentage of 9.03%, and the volume of last 24 hour is $52,000. The fully diluted market cap is $152,000 with a gain percentage of 9.03%. So the max supply here, it shows is 621, almost 622 thousands. As you can see, the all-time chart here, at first it was on $10, then it have an amazing dip. As you can see, it goes to 0.1 and then it rise again. It goes to almost $2.3. After that, it have a dip again. And let's have a look at the 1-day chart now. So it's pumping again. So its all-time high was $10. As you can see that the price is now on 0.24. So it's the best opportunity for you to invest in SALT token because it's amazing. Like if in a dip period the price is super low, it can cross its all-time high like before. So the main market people using to buy swap are PancakeSwap, and the volume generated from it is $31,000 and $23,000, which makes $52,000 in last 24 hours. BSE scan product of Etherscan shows that more than 710,000 transfer have been made on 5,867 addresses. So as you can see the transfer, let me show you the age here, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. People are taking a lot of interest in it because the price is super low and it will rise again, and it's the best and it will go to the moon and you can get Lambo with it. So it's the best opportunity, and people using here is PancakeSwap. As for the hoodlers, let's have a look if there are many big whales in the community. This 32% and all these percent, like with this are in liquidity, as I don't see many big whales in the community. Like these people have 1% and 2% of the coins, so even if they sell it, it won't affect the market by this way that the market will go to rug pull. It's rug proof. To me, it's an amazing project. I just loved it. So let me show you their roadmap, as the roadmap shows that what this project have done and what are they going to do next. So as for their quarter one, they would do they did launch pools, Ocean, stake Salt, get tokens, announce partnership. As for quarter two lottery, the lottery is not only a chance for you to win more Salt, but also one mechanism for them to keep the value of the token high. Initial farm offerings take Salt the only way to buy new tokens with their brand new token sale model, NFTs, and add Salt governance. As for quarter 3 2021, Salt exchange AMM just like PancakeSwap and binary options. In quarter 4 2021, Waltz and Auto Farm. So that was up for their roadmap. Let's have a look at their social media. As the social media shows that how transparent a project is, and what love they show to their community, or are they updated there or not. So their Twitter is named as SaltSwap BSC. They have more than 4,000 followers. They have 268 tweets. Their last tweet was on May 8, and after that on May 9. So they aren't very updated on their Twitter because it's almost May 21 and they haven't posted anything. So they should get updated with their Twitter so people would know about them and stay updated with their project, that what it is doing now. As for their Medium, if you want to follow them there, you can to read out through their blogs. If you have any technical issues in your mind and you don't understand this project, you can read out the Medium of them and blogs and etc. to do some research. If you want to invest in it, Medium is the best way to do research. Okay, so I found a Telegram of their project. So they have almost 5,000 followers where 800 are online. You can just write SaltSwap in the Telegram and you can contact them, get in touch with admins, know the live price, know about pools, lottery system, etc. So it's the quickest way to learn and discuss it with their community, that what you want from this project and how you can invest in it, etc. So if you like the project of SaltSwap Finance, I will leave the website link of it in the description box where you can check it out for yourself, do some research. If you want to invest in it, you can. If you want to use it as an exchange, you can that too. I have shown you how to connect MetaMask and all. It's super easy and it's fast and cheap and solid. So yeah, if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremist, where we would bring you some more hidden gems from the crypto arena. So if you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.